Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist with 6 years of field experience as an appliance repair technician, and this is what to check before calling a tech when your washing machine is not filling with water or it's filling very slowly. It is normal for modern washing machines not to fill with water all the way to the top. The point is to saturate your laundry, not to soak. Unless you selected a soak cycle, of course. Too much water can inhibit friction, which is necessary for proper cleaning. Check to make sure all water sources going to the washing machine are turned all the way on, both hot and cold, unless your model specifically calls for only being installed with one. Refer to your washing machine's installation instructions to verify correct installation. Check the water inlet hoses for any debris that may be preventing water flow by removing the water hose at the washing machine according to your washing machine's installation instructions, and visually checking the screens inside of your washer's water valves. If there is debris, flush the affected screens with clean water and contact a plumber to address the main issue, which is sediment in your plumbing. Always make sure to unplug the washing machine and turn off the water at the house side of the hoses before disconnecting. If the washing machine is still having difficulty filling after trying all of that, that's when it's time to call an appliance repair tech. The complete What to Check Before Calling a Tech washing machine troubleshooting guide, along with troubleshooting guides for dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers, microwaves, and ranges, will be available at my Blink in Lio beginning January 31st, 2025.